My daily routine is simple, but it helps me stay organized and happy. I usually wake up early in the morning, around 6:30 a.m. When I open my eyes, I lie in bed for a few minutes and stretch my arms and legs. Then I get up and go to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and take a shower. After that, I feel fresh and ready to start the day. I wear clean clothes and comb my hair. Then I go to the kitchen and make my breakfast. Sometimes I eat eggs and toast, and sometimes I eat a bowl of cereal with milk. I also drink a glass of water or a cup of tea. While eating, I like to sit near the window and watch the sky. After breakfast, I clean my plate and get ready for work or school, depending on the day. If I have to go to school, I pack my bag with books, notebooks, and pens. If I'm working from home, I go to my room and turn on my computer. I check my to-do list to see what I need to finish during the day. At around 9 a.m., I start my main work. I try to focus on my tasks and not use my phone too much. I like to work in a quiet room with good light. If I feel sleepy or tired, I take a short break, walk around, or drink some water. I usually work for about 2 to 3 hours in the morning. Then, around 12:30 p.m., I take my lunch break. I go to the kitchen again and make some simple food like rice, vegetables, or a sandwich. I eat slowly and try to enjoy my meal. After eating, I rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Sometimes I lie down, and sometimes I just sit and relax. After the break, I go back to work. I finish any tasks left from the morning and check my email or messages. In the afternoon, I also like to take a short walk outside if the weather is nice. It helps me feel fresh and happy. I try not to sit in one place for too long. In the evening, I finish my work and start to relax. Around 6 p.m., I have a light snack like fruits, nuts, or biscuits. I also talk to my family or friends for some time. Talking to loved ones always makes me feel better. If I have free time, I watch a TV show, read a book, or listen to music. Sometimes I help in the kitchen with cooking or setting the table. Dinner is usually around 8 p.m. I sit with my family and we eat together. We talk about how the day went, what we did, and what plans we have for tomorrow. After dinner, I help clean up the dishes in the dining area. Then I go to my room and start winding down for the night. Before sleeping, I do a few small things. I check if my things are ready for the next day. I set my alarm, brush my teeth, and wash my face again. I also drink a glass of water before bed. Sometimes I write in a diary about my day, or say a short prayer. Then I lie down, close my eyes, and try to think happy thoughts. Usually I fall asleep by 10:30 or 11 p.m. Sleep is important for me to feel good and have energy for the next day. My routine may look simple, but it helps me stay healthy and calm. Doing the same things every day gives me peace and makes my life better. I try to wake up and sleep at the same time every day, even on weekends. On weekends, I may do something different like clean my room, visit a friend, or go out for a walk. But most of the routine stays the same. I think having a daily routine is good for everyone. It helps you manage your time and keeps you from feeling lost or lazy. When I follow my routine, I finish my work on time and also get time to relax. It also helps me stay clean, eat well, and sleep enough. Even when I feel sad or tired, Sticking to my routine gives me strength. I believe a good routine is like a friend. It supports you every day and helps you grow. I try not to waste too much time on my phone or watching random videos. Instead, I focus on doing useful things that help me learn or make me happy. Life feels better when we have balance. Work, rest, food, and fun, all are important. I am still learning and improving my routine, but I am happy with how it helps me now.